What's this?
Hello, Bruce Wayne. I'm the Riddler. I bet you're wondering, how did I get to your house? That doesn't matter. Anyways, I challenge you to find your money. Oh, wait. Your money's all gone. You see, stole it. Have fun looking for it.
Well, this should be easy.
And I don't think you'll be able to find me. If you do, that would just tell me who you really are. I have my expectations of you.
Really? Who's this character? Anyways, I'll have to track him down. Time to suit up. Signal is translated from this location.
Wait. Ow.
You suck at fighting, Enigma. What does that do?
All your gadgets and stuff, all disabled. How does that sound for you, Batman? Or should I call you Bruce Wayne?
How would you know?
I know everything. That's how. I'm kind of sick. Alright, so Bats, you got the choice. You're either gonna knock this out of my hand or grab it. What's your choice? Grab it. Alright, now, so you won't fire. That belt, is it made pure of gold? Not doing this. No. No.
What was that?
It's called poison, Batman. You know, you may need more. What? I should probably get it. No. Not. It's poison to you, but to me, just makes me stronger.
Enigma, you're crazy.
Shut up. Let me drag this bat out.
I got a disease I need a cure. There it is. I was wondering why you used it to fight against me.
Ah, Batman, you woke up for yourself. You're sick. See how it is.
You need a doctor.
Doctor. I got this.
You're crazy. Eventually it's gonna incinerate your organs, killing you.
sequence.
Psycho. Stay down. Alfred. Call the nearest hospital. Also, call the cops. It's over, Enigma.
Nothing's gone.
I can't believe that you're...
Good.
The strength would have killed you. So you don't feel any pain. Now stay there. What's going on, Enigma?
Till we meet, I need more. Till we meet again, Batman.
What's this drug called? What is the drug called? What is this? Titan, huh? Slowly killing him. I need to go back to the Batcave.